Hello and welcome to New and Now, a short presentation on Vine I gave to the School of Health and Human Services at a Tech Talk in Rancho Bernardo on February 27, 2013. This is Mike Myers and I'm an Associate Professor of Health Sciences at National University in San Diego, California. In this talk I'm going to discuss Vine and how it's implicated in teaching as well as how it's used in the public arena. Your students are using this now even if you don't realize it. What Vine is, very simply, is an integrated video, audio, and social media machine. And you can see here that it's being blogged about all the time, and it combines Twitter and video. How it works is very simple. You just take your handheld device. It works on the iPad, the iPhone, or the iPod Touch, and all you do to make a recording is you simply touch what you want to record, and in several short bursts it records video and audio. The recording length is very short, 6 seconds, and it really makes a recording loop, if you will. So what is Vine? Again, it's a 6-second video capture. To start the camera rolling, you just press and hold your finger on the screen of your device. When you lift your finger off, Vine stops recording. You put it back on again, it starts recording and continues. Again, you've got a short amount of time, 6 seconds. It gives you the stop and go kind of video, and you end up with what's called like a rolling GIF type video. Some examples that you can look at if you go onto Vine, and again, to get this, all you do is you go to the App Store on your smart device and you simply type in search for Vine and download it to your device. It'll come to Android soon, I'm pretty sure. So some examples are really neat to look at are one from a waterfall, and again you can see how it loops over and over. Another one is one that artists use a lot. So you can make all kinds of these short recordings and then upload them to the web very easily. For teaching, what you see here in the next slide is several examples of how students used it for science and teaching. So in the first panel you see the 6-second video. This is the project that was done at the American Academy of Sciences meeting, and the project is, can you explain your research in 6 seconds or less? And you can see at the next one here that several students have made recordings as well. This student is looking at planetary science. This next student is looking at psychology. So you can even put a little comedy in there as well. I also, of course, created one for my class, as you see here in the last title.
Our one-sample t-test and StatCrunch. What is the null hypothesis? Our one-sample t-test and stat...
Not too exciting, but it goes over and over what the null hypothesis is. And as you see at the bottom here, it has my name and National University. So it's a real nice link that you can have to your Twitter feed and bring your students to that as well as to the university. So it has built-in sharing on the web, so once you're done recording your video, you can share it on Vine, you can share it to Twitter or to your Facebook account. It even easily integrates with Twitter, so here's my Twitter feed that I have here, and as you're logging in, and again this is a professional Twitter feed that I maintain, I tweet out about the functions at the school, projects I'm working on, and topics in education and science as well. So once you upload it to your account on Vine, it gives a link right on Twitter, updates your Twitter account, and even puts the feed right into your Twitter account that people can click on and look at. And so you can easily have a nice Twitter feed to your Vine account back and forth with one click, very easy. So Vine is a very quick way to put 6 seconds of video into social media and can be used for teaching or research or even just for social presence.